This is All India Radio. Welcome tomorrow. All India Radio, in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar, presents the science serial Welcome Tomorrow, based on myriad facets of artificial intelligence. Time now to listen to the 12th episode, titled Artificial Intelligence and Speech Recognition.
Prakash, on last Sunday, you were telling about some competition. What happened? Is it over or yet to be finalized?
Mom, the final date is yet to be finalized.
And what will be the theme of the competition?
Mom, topics such as environment, pollution, digital divide, non-conventional sources of energy, etc.
My son, though these are evergreen topics, but you need to add some new innovative ideas to them.
Mom, the same thing was pointed out to us by our sir as well.
Professor Vivek is very innovative. Have you consulted him?
He asked our team to select a new subject and try to implement innovative ideas in it. For me, the Song of the Birds, which is going on right now, is the most happening event in the whole world.
Birds are also innovators in their own world, Prakash.
They know each other's language and they can recognize voice as well.
My son, if our smartphone and supercomputer can recognize speech and voices, then why not the birds? They are living creatures after all.
Very well said, Mom. They are a product of the Almighty's computer.
Correct. My hint was also about AI and speech recognition techniques.
Mom, AI and speech recognition techniques? I don't understand this.
Beta, I was talking about speech recognition techniques in particular. The modern days apps are very innovative.
I read somewhere in the newspaper that the valuation of some of these apps is in billions.
Billions? This is a monetary valuation not of the apps, but of the innovators.
But Mom, we are so busy in talking about these apps and innovators and billions of dollars that we forgot our morning tea. Let me make the tea for you. I'm going to prepare it today. Mom, here is your morning tea. And I've made some tasty snacks too.
What a great taste, Prakash.
Mom, could you please raise the volume of the television? There is some news on it about AI. May I have some artificial knowledge along with my real one? Oh look, see the caption. Global Meet on Artificial Intelligence.
Now in details. On coming Sunday, the Prime Minister will inaugurate the 3 days World Global Summit on Artificial Intelligence. This will be a virtual conference of its own kind. About 24 world-renowned experts will participate in it.
Mom, AI is Professor Vivek's field, right?
Yes.
He may also participate in this meeting.
My son, we are heading for a virtual world. COVID-19 has changed the way of thinking throughout the world. Even a common man can get himself registered for it. But first, you should have the address of the website.
Don't worry, Mom. Our Honorable PM is going to inaugurate it. And everything will be available on MyGov website.
Great. There are many steps ahead of us.
You're right, Mom. Hello, Ravi?
Yes, Prakash. How are you? Any problem?
No, everything is fine, but have you seen the news on television?
Only one news for our purpose, and that was on Global AI Summit.
All right. Actually, I called you so that you could reach my home as soon as possible.
What?
So that we can go to Krishan's house and over there we can do the planning about the street drama.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Bye-bye.
All right, Ravi. Bye.
Prakash?
Yes, Mom.
Prakash, are you free?
Yes, Mom. You're right. Actually, my friend Ravi is just coming over to our place and then we are going to go to Krishan's house to plan for the street drama.
Great. You will find Professor Vivek there. He's an expert of AI and will guide you better.
You are right, Mom. That is why Krishan has asked us to come to his home so that we can have a common discussion with his father. Today, Professor Vivek is available at his home.
That's great.
Hey Ravi, your speed can beat even the supersonic missile and the supercomputer.
My dear, the world is proceeding from supercomputer to artificial intelligence. Am I right?
Are, Ravi beta, come inside.
Good morning, Auntie.
Good morning beta.
How are you doing?
I'm good beta. Come inside.
Ravi, do you know, my mom directed the street play of her college last year and that play won the first prize at the national level.
Oh, great.
Yes, that's right. AI is a very vast subject. And if you consider to have your skit on it, better go for some sub-theme on AI.
It will be better to take the final decision after the global conference. There, we will come across so many subjects on AI.
You can even decide the sub-theme after discussion with Professor Vivek. Ravi, he's a subject matter specialist.
Okay. Auntie ji, what are your views on it?
I think you can have a lot of sub-themes. You can go for speech recognition and AI as well.
Ah, you mean artificial intelligence and speech recognition. Am I right?
Correct.
Auntie, we would like to know more about artificial intelligence and speech recognition.
Sure, beta. You might have heard about smart offices and smart homes. Such technology works on the modulation of sound and speech.
You know, that fellow in my class, he does his work and his project with the help of this technology only. That is why there are so many mistakes in his work all the time.
Prakash, those mistakes may be due to pronunciation defects. But with certain settings in the system, he can surely improve all these mistakes. Actually, speech recognition works on the understanding and analysis of sound effects.
Yes, Mom, you are right. But now we are getting late.
Yeah. Prakash is right, Auntie. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Yeah, bye, Mom.
Bye, beta. Bye. Take care, both of you.
Prakash, call bell. Call bell is at that side.
Yes, Ravi.
Hello, friends.
Hi.
Hey, Krishan.
Hey, Prakash. Hi, Ravi. I'm waiting for you guys since half an hour.
Yeah, at Prakash's home, we were having some discussion with his mother.
Okay.
Krishan, we are already late.
Yes.
And we also need to discuss so many things with your father, Professor Vivek. He needs to guide us on the street drama on AI.
Come,
let's
Can't wait to meet him.
Let's go, please.
Good morning, Uncle.
Good morning, beta. Young friends, how's life doing?
Uncle, great. And being an expert of voice and speech, you can tell better, right?
He's right.
Such question can only be raised by your generation. But software of my mind says that there is some confusion in your mind, huh?
Correct. Sir, to create technical and scientific awareness among the masses, a team is preparing for a street play to be played at different places in the city. Topic can be AI or any related theme.
Ravi, what was your question?
It is regarding speech recognition.
Correct. Friends, this will be a good topic for your street play.
Sir, in speech recognition, what are the main technical aspects?
though there are no limitations of AI and speech recognition. And when we talk about street play, then these boundaries become wider.
Papa,
Yes, beta.
our team members are also going to participate in the virtual global meet on AI. We can have many new informations in that too.
That is extremely good. But don't forget to cover recognition of specific person through his voice.
Okay.
Automatic control system? I mean automation and also decoding technology.
Correct. Sir,
Yes, Ravi.
we read that many IT companies and online portals have included this technology in their different products and software.
The technology has entered in its second phase. Slowly, we are seeing changes in it, huh?
Sir, our team is also entering the second phase. I mean, we are going from a stage play to a street play.
Sir, now we would like to take your permission. Thanks for your guidance.
Thank you, uncle.
Bye.
Mehban and Kadardan! Mehban and Kadardan! The heaven is coming! Heaven is coming! Be ready and enjoy the technology of AI! Arey Jamure! Jamure! Jamure!
Madari!
Where are you, man? It is Sunday! Sun is bright, sky is right, team is Delhi-eyed! Jamure! Jamure, where are you?
Yes, Madari!
Am I right or left something?
My lord!
Yes?
Don't worry! Your enemies are enough to be worried. We are living in the age of technology. Technology of modern age. And we are enjoying fully. Which is not to be enjoyed today, actually. But this technology will be enjoyed by our next generation. You see, Corona has vanished. And here we are to take you to a new world of artificial intelligence and speech recognition.
Jamura, you are living in a new age where brain can borrow from the machines.
My lord, my brain is not mechanical. I got it through my own hard work and devotion.
Really, Jamure? Jamure,
Yes, sir.
keep in mind, slow and steady wins the race. Meherban and Kadardan, am I wrong?
My lord, what a magical effect.
Jamure, it's not magic, but effect of COVID period. Use of face mask make them mum. Jamure,
Yes, my lord.
छोटा मुंह और बड़ी बात.
I am sorry, my lord.
Respect your elders and have friendly attitude towards your younger ones.
My lord, but what did I say that was so wrong?
Jamure,
Yes, my lord.
remember, I can catch and recognize the modulation of any speech and sound.
Voice and speech recognition. Wonderful!
My lord, they believe that what you are saying is wrong.
Huh? Jamure,
Yes, my lord.
Jamure, हाथ कंगन को आरसी क्या? Truth is truth and it can't be hidden.
Wow! अब आया ऊंट पहाड़ के नीचे.
Sorry?
My lord, it is difficult to hide the truth. Ladies and gentlemen, do you want that my master should come forward to show his magical trick on speech and...
Yes, that will be good!
My lord,
Yes, my Jamura.
all these ladies and gentlemen are eagerly waiting for your magic. The magic of artificial intelligence and speech recognition.
Artificial intelligence? We heard this word for the first time. Does intelligence is also manufactured by the machines? Unbelievable!
What? Why not? This is all due to my magical effect.
My lord,
Yes, Jamura.
we are living in the age of new technology. All these gentlemen and ladies are very intelligent.
Really?
Be sure before proceeding anywhere. Otherwise, we will be caught red-handed.
Jamura, you are right.
Yes, my lord.
This is not cheating, but perfection. The gentlemen and the ladies, the Jamura is very intelligent and try to find mistakes.
My lord.
Yes, Jamura.
These are not mistakes, but questions have been raised, which is the basic principle of scientific awareness.
Wow! The Jamura belongs to modern age generation!
What? The very basic question that I want to highlight through this show.
My lord?
Yes, Jamura.
But I didn't say anything.
Where is your magic of speech recognition?
Meherban and Kadardan. This is neither magic and nor the trick.
My lord?
Yes, Jamura.
Time has come to raise the curtain. The public wants to see the truth.
Okay. Wait. You might have heard the saying, slow and steady wins the race. Sehj pake, so meetha hoye.
You are correct, my lord. No more waiting. The truth should come forward now.
Fine, young man. Let me take you to the world of AI and speech recognition. What you will say will be in written format. No. Not in written format, as it will take time, but in print form.
My lord?
Yes, Jamura.
Then why is there a delay? And for whom we are waiting? Let's have the print of all the speeches that we have during this show.
Okay. Wait. Let me chant my mantra. Abracadabra. Vigyan ne pakda, takneek ne jakda. This means these are the words perfected by the science and caught by the technology.
Hello, don't be over smart. We are not fools.
My lord,
Huh?
no more delay. The public cannot wait anymore.
Jamura,
Yes, my lord.
where is the delay? The print is ready. See. Here, in this box.
Oh.
Wow! Same words that have been raised during the show. Wonderful!
My lord,
Yes, Jamura.
there is some murmuring behind your back.
Hoi, what's that?
I think many people here have a doubt that these printouts were already printed.
Hoi. Jamura,
Yes, my lord.
you are very intelligent to read the mind of the public.
Thank you, my lord.
Meherban and Kadardan, you can believe and see the truth. Please, someone come forward.
Yes. I'm here.
He will be caught red-handed now.
Come, my dear, come. Here is my magical machine. Truth will be reflected instantly. Gentlemen, nobody knows what he wants to say. Am I right?
My lord,
Yes, my Jamura.
what is true and what is false? Only God knows everything.
God knows everything. Hoi. Here is the voice and speech reading of this gentleman. I mean, his kacha chitta.
Ustad,
Yes, Jamura.
सच्चा चिट्ठा क्यों नहीं?
You can never become Madari. Jamura,
Yes, my lord.
what is true and what is lie? Only he can tell. Please, can you read it?
Oh my god! It is 100% true! Oh, magic! Magic!
But my master,
Yes, Jamura.
can your magical machine do some more wonderful tricks with this magical stick?
Jamura,
Yes, my lord.
it is not the magical stick, but a magical technology.
Oh.
Yes. If you feed some voice sample of a person in it, it can recognize the person.
Wait. You mean to say, in future it will be difficult for the criminals to escape?
My lord,
Yes, Jamura.
there is some voice from that side.
Jamura, understand.
Yes, my lord.
There are some inherent defects of this magical technique,
Oh.
like voice modulation, pronunciation, difficulty in speaking, or phonetic defects may create some problems.
My lord,
Yes, Jamura.
the magical story is over now, or is it still left?
My child, science and technology give birth to innovations, and there is no limitation of it. The deeper you go, the more will unfold.
Ustad,
Yes, Jamura.
this is not my question, but of that gentleman
Huh?
whose voice is not clear due to cold and cough. What will happen with him?
Meherban and Kadardan. Jamura is super. Question after question.
My lord,
Yes, Jamura.
not questions, but intention to know, to learn. I mean, I have a scientific temper.
Hoi, 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 hoi. Jamura,
Yes, my lord.
every coin has two sides.
Oh.
A speech recognition technique has some inherent problems. It can't be perfect in a true sense. Voice and phonetic problems may be there, and external noise may create problem in speech recognition.
Yes!
Besides this, there is a need to evaluate its implementation cost.
My lord,
Yes, Jamura.
your story is over.
Jamura,
Yes, my lord.
there is a message from Dr. Pratibha. She is here to guide us and answer your questions. Welcome, Dr. Pratibha!
Thank you, Madari. Thank you, Jamura.
Welcome, madam.
Welcome, madam.
Gentlemen, this street play was written and presented by our college students to create scientific temper and scientific awareness amongst the masses. New technology is touching every sphere of our life. Speech recognition is also one of them. In a study, it has been found that in future it is going to influence each and every part of our lives, and its market value will go in billions. Voice assistants like Google Home, Alexa and Siri are very common. They can listen to you, monitor you and even answer your queries. Smart homes and smart offices are becoming common. For senior citizens, it will be a boon. In medical and health industry particularly, it is playing important role in medical transcriptions.
Excuse me, Dr. Pratibha.
Yes?
What do you think about AI and speech recognition?
Speech recognition is the process that enables a computer to recognize and respond to spoken words and then converts them in a format that the machine understands. The machine may then convert it into another form of data depending on the end goal. For example, transcription programs use speech recognition to convert your spoken words into text.
My lord,
Yes, Jamura.
may I ask just one question from Dr. Pratibha?
Hoi, 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 hoi. Jamura,
Yes, my lord.
You are living in a democratic country where freedom of speech is granted by the constitution.
Yes, yes.
How can I restrain you, huh?
Thank you, my lord. Dr. Pratibha,
Yes, Jamura.
my question is how voice-based digital assistance providers support the system.
Very intelligent question, Jamura.
Thank you, madam. Thank you.
These days, a number of consumers depend on voice-based digital sustenance. It can immensely cut down the cost in the fields like customer care service, front desk automation, and voice-based digital assistance. Speech recognition capabilities are a crucial part of NLP models. Based on AI models, speech recognition becomes more accurate and makes it easier to identify and understand the components of a natural language.
My lord,
Yes, Jamura.
what a great message. By pulling the curtain from the technique, Dr. Pratibha has cleared all the doubts and aspects of this technology in very short.
Hui, 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 hui. Jamura.
Yes, my lord.
Arts, science and technology have no boundaries. Their aim is how to make our life happy and comfortable.
Wow! Smart knowledge, smart technology, and smart Jamura.
And
Welcome tomorrow. You are listening to the 12th episode of the science serial produced by All India Radio in collaboration with Vigyan Prasar, titled Artificial Intelligence and Speech Recognition. Writer Dr. R.S. Yadav, English translation Mrs. Savita Yadav. Concept and coordination Dr. Nakul Parashar and Dr. Birendra Kumar Tyagi. This episode was produced by Pankaj Pati Pathak. Assistants in production Daksh Puri. Participants Jaideep Singh, Divya, Vaibhav Srivastav, Nitin Bhasin and Nikhil Diwan. Do stay tuned. Here are 2 questions for you. The lucky listeners will get attractive prize from Vigyan Prasar. So, first question is how artificial intelligence based speech recognition machines work. And I repeat, how artificial intelligence based speech recognition machines work. And the second question is, tell us 2 uses of speech recognition machine. You can send in your answers by simple post to this address: Science Serial, Welcome Tomorrow, Vigyan Prasar, A50, Institutional Area, Sector 62, Noida, 201309. And you can also write to us on our email ID radio@vigyanprasar.gov.in. Do write your full name and address along with the answers. And yes, if you send us any question which gets included in our program, you will get a prize from Vigyan Prasar for that too. So don't hesitate to write to us even if it's a simple query. We'll be back again with our next episode of the Science Serial. Welcome tomorrow, same day, same time next week. Till then, goodbye. This broadcast came to you from All India Radio, Delhi.